Oh, hello YouTube fans, how are you today? Well, thank you for tuning in today's blog. If you're wondering what I'm doing today, I went down to my local Best Buy and I picked up something for my iPod Touch 5th generation here, and I needed a new plug and a new USB lightning cable to actual charge my iPod. Without the cable, I can't even charge it. The battery will go dead, and I have no way to charge it because I don't have any extra cables. Now, go ahead and unwrap the wrap. Or, the blue bag from Best Buy. Alright. Get that off to the side. Here's the new AC plug. And of course, the USB to lightning cable. Now, I can tell you one thing with these cables. They are made so cheaply, and you do break over time. But these here are very expensive. They're like $20 a piece. If I would have bought two of them, it would have cost me over $40. Let's go ahead and unbox it. You see, I got a little tab over here. Ooh, cool. I really like that. Let's find out. See what I get in the box. So interested. I love Apple projects and how they make stuff. I thought it was very interesting. Pull out the little lightning cable. And that though. And of course you get your limited warranty and your user guide. And of course no Apple stickers. Now I mean, that's no fun. Apparently the Apple stickers come with the iPods and stuff. Here's that lightning cable. It's wrapped around this little cardboard sleeve here. Just gonna pull this out gently without breaking the cable itself. And once in a while you replace them because you get so worn. Every time you do, it's just the way they are. It's like, what's the point of spending $20 a piece on a lightning cable? Craziness. I don't understand it. I mean, I wish Apple can actually do a little bit better of the cables themselves. But there is my brand new cable. USB to lightning. Take that piece away. And we'll leave the box. And of course, now we'll open, let's look on the new charging plug. I have so many of these things, it's unreal what it really is. I just love the way it pops, opens. It's very interesting. Alright, let's see what we get. Of course, your limited warranty, and of course, your user guide as well. Pretty cute, right? Right. Pop out the new plug. There's the new plug out of the box. Now, of course, here is one of the older plugs. You can't find these anymore. These are the older ones right there. That's the interesting of the plug itself. So it's pretty neat. Sometimes I don't always buy new plugs. It's like I just use the same ones, but that's okay. Sometimes you have to replace them once in a while. and definitely the USB cables. There's the old style, and there's the new style. And there's my USB. Ooh, actual. It has this little film on it. Let's go and pull that off. Ah, there you go. Ta-da! Does the standard AC. By Apple. And of course, they do have one of the original ones as well. So you got two of them. Actually, no, I don't have two of them. Actually, I have three. Yeah, I have three of these literally chargeables. And also the old one. This one here just flips open. And you can pull it and you can put a stand on it. Kinda cool. But, yeah, you can't find these old books anymore. But that's okay. Alright, if you're also brand new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Please like. Please share. Peace out. Bye guys and girls. We'll hopefully see you in the next vlog. Thank you for watching and have a very nice day. From your boy Chris. Peace.